Here is a quick flip through of my planner setup for Q1 of 2021. I enjoyed this planner in 2020. It helped me adapt with the crazy changing schedule, and since 2021 is going to be full of uncertainties for me with the things happening in my personal life, I feel the setup is going to continue to work. Also, if I need to change anything, it'll be easy. I moved everything in Notion, and that video is coming on Tuesday. Make sure your notification bell is turned to all so that you don't miss it. I also share my author goals in that video. Alright, there are still a few things I'm migrating, and by June or July I should have everything there. Then why this paper planner? I have to write things down. That's how my brain processes things. But I don't want to do duplicate work, especially since I have very limited time. And so I have removed a lot of things this year. The sections I have in the planner here are a year at a glance, word of the year and month. Now this is exactly the same as last year, and that's because it's still valid for my circumstances. I have all this in erasable ink, so if I need to change anything, make any changes for the word of the months which I had to do last year, I can easily do that. Next I have this page. I had this last year as well. I write just one key thing, something happy, something that I'm proud of here. And I have this at a glance. This really helped me in 2020, and I want to continue that. I have a version of this in Notion as well, but I wanted this because it really helped me last year push through the hard months. Next, I have daily gratitude. Just one sentence a day, nothing too complicated, and I'm not going to be very rigid about having an entry every day either. Then I have the monthlies. This is just for a quick glance. I went from month on 2 pages last year to month on 1 page by May, I guess. This year, all the monthly planning is in Notion and my Google Calendar, but I want to have this because I need to have things on paper when I'm brainstorming and planning. I have just 4 months here, and when I am planning for the next quarter, I'll see what I need to do then. If I need to make a layout, I'll make it and then print it. And then I have the dailies. I like the layout by Day Designer, but there were a few things that I didn't use, so I made this based on that, but more suited for my needs. I like to write down the task I'm working on. I look at my Notion, see what I need to do, write it here. It helps me focus. It also solidifies it for me. And also because I write only the tasks I'm working on, it helps me not get overwhelmed. And because I have everything in Notion, it helps me because I then don't feel that things are slipping through cracks, because I know Notion is catching everything. Then is the notes section, because I have to write things down. I scribble dialogues for my novels, story ideas, video ideas. I need to write things down for it to really formulate into anything. So that's what this section is for. It's just a few blank pages. And then is the routines and review. This is from last year, and I have to migrate these into Notion, so eventually these sections will go. Now this is how my 2021 planner is set up. Simple, no fuss. I want to buy some fancy papers for my planner, but I've decided to wait on that, not because of the cost, but of course that is a part of it, but also because I feel this planner will turn more into a notebook. I feel my system is still evolving, and I think I'll feel more confident investing in my planner in 2022. But who knows? I hope this gave you some ideas for your own planning system, and I'll see you in the next one.